Hey everybody, Neil here from PlanSource. Welcome back to the Weekly Source, your source for the latest in HR and benefits. We cover a lot in this week's post, so as always, follow that link below if you want to see more of what we're covering or you want to subscribe to get it in your inbox every Monday. But our topic today is voluntary benefits, specifically how they're being used to recruit and retain top talent. A quick stat for you, 3.9% is the current unemployment rate. Obviously great that people are employed, but the thing to think about is how competitive now job finders and recruiters have to be to find top talent, right? You have to be able to differentiate your company from the rest, and whether it's, it can't just be a high salary or the ping pong tables in the office, there has to be a compelling benefits package for those employees as well. And as a recruiter, you have to find a need that employee has, or even a pain point and a way to mitigate that. So what's the top pain point really today? It is student loan debt. 1.5 trillion is the number. That's with a T. It's the second largest U.S. debt only to mortgages. So it's now past credit card debt, auto debt, and the average payment is just about $350 a month. I think something like 10% is the average delinquency rate now with people defaulting on student loan. So it's a really big pain point. And the sobering news is it's only getting higher. So average student loan debt in 2016 was just about $37,000. A year later, it was up to 40. So we're seeing increases there. And so employees coming into the job, they're looking for ways to employers to help them pay down those loans. So there are, luckily, solutions out there. So Tuition.io is a company that we actually work with today that offers really two solutions to combat student loan and help their employees repay them. The first is through actual payments. So they may contribute a certain amount. We've seen 150 averages about that towards a student loan's principal. And the second is through counseling. So one-on-one counseling, educational videos, tips, best practices, things that they can try. So two ways that they can help an employee combat and pay off their student loans. You can always see more about our partners today at our plansource.com/partners. It's called our Partners Source. So more quick connect is what we call them, those partners like student loan repayment, identity theft, short loan options as well. There's plenty of options in there as well. But then also our carrier partners. So we have our tier 1 carrier partners in there, Cigna, MetLife, Guardian, Unum, Aetna, all present on our page. You can learn more about our subsidiary program where employees can get credits for enrolling in those carriers. So go check those out today. Otherwise, the question for you is, what voluntary benefits are you trying this year, or even something you tried last year that was a success for you? Let us know in the comments below. We'd be happy to hear the feedback and engagement. We will actually be off next week. We'll be back February 4th. We've got our sales conference next week, so very excited for that. And then otherwise, February 4th, we will see you guys for the Weekly Source. Thanks so much.